everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and in this video I will tell you what I think you should know about the HP OfficeJet Pro 9013 all-in-one printer. The 9013 is part of the OfficeJet Pro 9010 series that HP launched during 2019 and includes several other models. Here is the power button. These are the power and wireless network indicators. Next to them is a tilting 2.7-inch CGD capacitive touchscreen that controls the printer and works flawlessly. This printer is a bit bigger and more expensive than the OfficeJet Pro 8023 that I recently reviewed as well. But in return, the 1913 offers faster performance plus several other features such as this USB port. Once you connect a USB flash drive to the printer, it will allow you to print photos from the flash drive and scan files to it. The 1913 can print up to 32 pages per minute, both in black and white and in color, in a maximum resolution of 1200 on 1200 rendered DPI. I mostly print on A4 paper and so far the results looks great. As a copy machine, the 9013 can copy up to 32 copies per minute in black and up to 15 copies per minute in color in a resolution of up to 600 dpi. The 9013 offers a two-side ADF scanner and a flatbed scanner. The scanner's maximum resolution is 1200 on 1200 dpi. It can scan up to 8 A4 pages per minute in a resolution of 200 pixels per inch, both in black and white and in color. Let's open the paper tray. I would like to emphasize that the 1913 can print on different types and size of media. The paper tray's maximum capacity is 250 sheets, 30 envelopes or 50 cards. The output tray can hold up to 60 sheets, and the auto document feeder's maximum capacity is up to 35 sheets. Here's what comes along with the printer: several documents including a setup poster and a reference guide, a power cord that goes into the back of the printer, and 4 setup ink cartridges. Model 963 Black should provide up to approximately 1000 pages, and Model 963 XL Black should provide up to approximately 2000 pages. The 963 color ink cartridges will provide up to approximately 700 pages, while the 963 XL color ink cartridges will provide up to approximately 1600 pages. Now I would like to show you the printer in action. You're about to see me set up the printer for the first time. Let's define the menu's language. There are many languages to choose from. Next, we should define the location. Now it's time to install the ink cartridges. The printer offers short, friendly and useful video tutorials that will guide you what to do. Make sure to place paper sheets in the paper tray to print a test page and align the printhead. Go, 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 go. Yay, it's ready! Let's place the alignment page in the flatbed scanner and scan it to complete the process. Now the printer is ready for use, but we need to connect it to the Wi-Fi network. This time I will set up the printer with my smartphone using the HP Smart app. Please note that in my previous video about the HP OfficeJet Pro 8023 you can see how I've set up the printer using my computer. Setting the printer using the HP Smart app is fast and easy, and I encourage you to try it yourself. That's it. The printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, and you can tell that since the blue Wi-Fi indicator is fixed. It's extremely convenient to use the printer with the app that offers many features. Some of them are more useful than the others. You can print and scan files to and from your smartphone or tablet, check the ink level, and much more. Now I would like to go over the menus of each feature. This is the main menu, it's informative, the navigation is easy, and each feature has its own category and sub-menus. At the top of the display is hiding another menu, let's call it the top menu, that offers info regarding the Wi-Fi network, the ink level, upcoming jobs, various settings of the printer, and much more. Once again, this printer offers so many features, some of them will appear in several places, so it's very intuitive to find the desired feature, setting, or detail that you look for. Smart Tasks allows you to create one-touch shortcuts for printing, emailing, and saving documents. Earlier in this video, I went over the copy menu and told you about the scanners, so now you can see the additional features in the scan menu. Usually I define the scanning settings from my computer using the HP Smart software. Photo menu is almost identical to the USB menu that becomes available when connecting an external flash drive, as I demonstrated earlier in this video. The 9013 offers a fax machine with every fax feature that you can think of, but honestly, I don't think I will use it too much anytime soon. And last is the apps menu that offers several useful apps, including synchronizing the printer with Dropbox and Google Drive, printing various quick forms, and printing information straight from your Google Calendar. These are the same apps I showed in my review of the HP OfficeJet Pro 8023. The last 9013 feature I would like to demonstrate is how it works with smart assistants such as Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. It's a relatively limited feature, but it has a lot of potential, so I guess over time it will get better and more useful. In this video I will demonstrate how it works with the first generation Google Home Mini. First, you need to connect the HP printer app to your HP account. You can see me do that using my Android smartphone.
Getting HP printer. Hello, this is HP printer. You can ask me to scan, make copies, print coloring pages, games, and more. To get started, you can ask me to print a help page. What can I do for you today?
Hey Google, ask HP printer to print the help page.
I have sent a one-page help summary to your printer.
You can find the scanned document in the full review on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. Okay Google, ask HP printer to print comics.
I have sent a page of comics to your printer.
Well, boys and girls, this was my video review of the HP OfficeJet Pro 9013 all-in-one printer. To summarize things, I think this is a great printer for home and business use. It offers slight improvements compared to the previous generation of HP printers, such as the OfficeJet Pro 8720 that I reviewed back in 2016, and it offers additional features compared to the slightly cheaper OfficeJet Pro 8023, such as faster performance, the two-side automatic scanning, and this USB port. For further information about this printer, please check the video's description and the full review on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. If you still have any questions about this printer, please comment on this video and I will do my best to help you with that. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to give it a like. You should also subscribe to my YouTube channels, follow me on the other social networks, and also check my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!